he did that too far, and the kids, the mother have to take out the kids them out of school, because then they start out September already. At the school where them are
Yeah.
go, then go for 2 days. They would have, if we never move, then would have get it, because a few money they did a wait and for move.
Then that wait for people.
You
Yeah, they
understand?
not live no life. They not, I saw them stay, they not live a life in a foreign. I saw most of them stay, no. I understand. They try to use people when they come here, because they know the people this. Let me tell you something. Uno, work right now, thing I share with the them, uno have every right one citizen have in America. Believe from me as me tell you, uno have every single right the same way. Like whatever, like a citizen would have in America. Don't make nobody fool, uno. You hear me I tell you, no? So you must say, oh, no, immigrants, uno, yeah. But at the end of the day, uno have every right the same way. Remember me tell you that. Oh, so no make nobody fool and feel like they can come down and do this and do that. Just focus on you and do what matter. Make sure they're in a school, make sure they have food to eat. I don't know what to say. You don't need to worry about what people say, what people are do, girl. Believe it or not. I saw somebody saying, take on in with that. Oh, come. And two then start showing a bad face and deal like on nobody. I saw the little dirty bitch then stay. Focus on way and nobody stress out yourself about this. Don't stress out yourself about this. If you're in America, you got you one down for share, believe it or not. Go a human service, them have to put you up because you have 3 pitney. Have to put you up. If they not take king, they have to take you with the 3 pitney them. They have to put you up. Remember me tell you. So just do what you have to do. And this a learning process, girl. Not feel no way about the beard and shake off yourself and pray. Just ask Father God give me strength to take care of this and I'm alright, me happy. You see, once you put in them happy, I ain't make it put in and see what you go through this little struggling business, a girl. You gonna make it, girl. Just focus. And I can tell you something. I know you alone in a hotel and them something because you have me a witness when me see American move out of their apartment where can't pay their rent and go live at motel. People who are run business, me see do that. One girl will live side of me, I have to shake my head. And she's American born here. And she said, you know what? I can afford this rent, but when I'm at the motel, it's okay. And she gonna move. They thought, no one look a motel, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Just do what you have to do. Enough people.
Pin, I want somebody to pin the cash up because it now make me pin it. I don't know why. Yeah.
You just open and get the money where you can get paid. Go on so go and sing on the train or the bus or whichever we wanna go on. And next time something like this, me tell you something. Keep social media. Social media on a job. But you see personal stuff, not put it on ya.
Come, my girl company, come tell the girl company first, because we never, a couple days, well, actually, it go on in a week before we adjust her, you know. And when it get out of hand, yesterday, we really company contact when the lady refused to take the money order.
Yeah, come see her last night, and me, I listen, and me, I say, no, so that I never irritate me so.
Yeah?
Sis, I can tell you something, Sasha.
Yeah. Hold on there, darling.
$50?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead now.
Sasha.
Yeah?
I respect you. I'm a respect king. When you come off of the internet with this, please, Sasha. Listen for the sake for your children, Sasha. Yeah. And everything good for eat, good for talk. You see, most of the people them when you sit there here, sir, them only want to sit there for bringing them down furthermore. Uno go work out this behind closed door. Uno bigger than this. Uno a big celebrity, Sasha.
True.
You understand me? I say, Sasha, come on for the internet, please. Me not like talk and say them something, but me have to reach out and tell you, Sasha. The all of them people where you see, when you come up, I them see when I got up on every other's media, I bring you down same way, and this is what them want to see. You see, for the sake of your children, them they are grown kids. They're seeing and them know everything that is going on. Do not embarrass them any further. Tell King leave the internet alone and shut his mouth.
Yes.
Shut up your mouth, King. You're
Yes.
making it worse for your family.
True.
Come on for the
True.
media. Go deal with
Same
this
thing, me
somewhere
say.
different.
Yep.
And
Yeah, change the
everything
topic.
dirty
The
people.
topic needs to
Sashay,
switch up.
me auntie
Yes.
that tell me
Terry,
say,
Terry.
mouth worse than Obia.
Oh, Kerry's. Look here now, send me back a number because me
Yeah,
lose
link me Sashay and
iPhone.
make me tell you. Not take no more help from nobody, Sashay. Sashay, not take no more help from nobody.
Yep.
Yeah, because them will help you and them come around and them
Yes.
weak people terrible
Who
me
your
I tell you.
own sachet, pray, go down by your belly and go ball to God. And him are your only help.
True. True.
Yeah, love them and them money.
Effective.
Yo,
Them I get too much of your
me I tell you,
energy.
say, me feel this to my heart. You know, make me cry. Yo, Sashay, you for your
Sashay,
them.
tell Kings if a link me, Sashay, yeah.
Literally cry, me I
All
tell
right,
them,
here
man.
we know. You see when you
Literally
come on,
cry.
we just text the number here because we lose the number in our iPhone.
Yep.
The topic needs to switch. Not give them no more energy.
Yeah, come, Sashay, come alive and come off of the internet. You know worse than nobody.
Yes, man.
Come off of the internet.
True.
Switch up a topic. Give them something else to chat about. Make them go up on somebody else's live. Go get the negativity.
No twist up no topic,
Go
come on.
drop your
What
prank.
you have for prank?
Drop your prank on
them.
your vlog.
I make them come over YouTube.
Where we
Come
know
on.
you for your prank them or your vlog them, go drop them
Yeah,
there.
anything
Use
like
them,
that, make them come
use
over
anything
YouTube
and
and
turn
watch
it in a
that.
prank. Use anything and turn it in a
Yes.
vlog.
Yes. True, girl. They have the ability to do
But you
it.
can sit down in front of your camera and go load up your video them on YouTube, make them come
Anything where
over
they
there.
want to know, make them go know upon your YouTube channel. Simple, but talk your mind on your YouTube channel.
Simple.
TikTok a bring down. Just
Make them have
believe.
make them have to watch and pay your bills
Terry,
then.
you know the funny thing is you're absolutely right. And we all know you're right. Shay know you're right. But you know what happened? Shay is overwhelmed. Her cup is overflowing. So she need people like you, me, for just support her because she's overwhelmed.
God share need for our support. Listen to me, my sister. You say everything on the top on the internet, but share need support and who needs support. They say the same support a tear down King and share them.
That's
Share
not
them.
what I mean.
Listen to me,
That's
now, my
not what
sister.
I mean.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Even we with the right now, right here, so I talk. We should have find a way to get King and Share number for call King and Share private to talk. We don't need this over here. Anything with TikTok is a bring down website. If you don't realize, King and Share, I only make me do where me I do now YouTube. I see how me hold my own. I that to no fear do not serial. Una godly people. Listen to me, my sister.
I'm saying, were you here? Were you here? Whenever they're over here, I tell her if we continue. We were over here telling her to get off. That's what we're over here doing.
Sashay, my sister, please, may I beg you, just load the internet, load TikTok, go so drop your video. Them. If you want to express how you feel, drop it on YouTube and you sit down in front of your camera. Make your camera be your best friend. You understand? We know the TikTok run gifts and them things, but guess what, man? Every gift a gift from God. You understand, my sister?
Yeah.
Then every gift a gift from God. Lower the gifting, get a break. Come over YouTube where people love you. But just lower certain things. Live like my sister later, because we know to do this later. I get your number and try to get
Actually,
you.
me I'll come down and just do what them say, yeah?
Later, my
Me
sister.
will reach out to you.
Tell Kings if you link me. May I text on her or something later.
Hello, Shay?